the Tequila Margarita triple shot. That's what we're making today. My wife calls them turn down for what? So, first thing you're going to need is some tequila. We're going with 1.5 ounces. And we're going with a little generous on the tequila because we want to make sure these things are full. Then we're going with 1 ounce of lime juice, 1 ounce of blue agave nectar. And you always have to wait a few seconds for this to drain out because it's thick. All right, and we got everything in there. I never put the ice in here first because it just melts. Nobody wants a shot full of water. So, I'm gonna give it a good shake. We're giving this a good shake to get it nice and cool. Now, we have 1 glass with a lime, 1 glass with a couple dashes of Tabasco, and 1 glass with a little bit of sugar rim. And we're just going to divide this up. It's a 3-for-1 shot right here. Just want to make sure I got enough for all the glasses. And that is all there is to it for the Tequila Margarita triple shot. And there you go. And you know, if you've watched my videos before, there's only one thing left to do, and that's taste these things. So remember, this is a 3-for-1 shot. Don't think you're doing 3 shots. You are doing 3 shots, but it's 1 shot worth of tequila. So it's really only 1 shot, but it's 3 shots. So the first one is just regular with a garnish of lime. The second one has a sugar rim, and the third one has a few dashes of Tabasco. Here we go. Let's try these out. That's tasty right there. Make sure we get the sugar. I don't sugar the whole rim. That's pretty tasty too. But I think this is my favorite. That Tabasco just gives it a little bit of heat. It really actually spices it up real nice. These are a fantastic 3-for-1 shot. Try them out. You're going to like them. Thanks for stopping. Click that thumbs up. Like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that notification bell. You'll get notifications when I post new videos. And thanks for stopping. Enjoy these shots.